In this video, we will train you on the proper use of the HoverMatt Single-Patient Use Link, including how to boost a patient with one caregiver, reposition a patient with one caregiver, turn a patient with one caregiver. Using the HoverMatt SPU link for lateral transfers requires a minimum of 2 caregivers. If the patient and HoverMatt SPU link slides down in bed, a boosting technique can be used to reposition the patient back towards the head end of the bed. With a single caregiver for this task, the side rail must be raised on the opposite side. To assist with boosting, the bed may be placed in slight Trendelenburg. Place the air supply on the side rail for ease of use. Insert the air supply hose into the intake valve. The caregiver turns on the air supply by pressing the appropriate button for the size of the HoverMatt SPU link. With the mattress fully inflated, the caregiver will grasp the handles closest to the direction they are boosting and slide the HoverMatt SPU link to the desired location. Once the patient has been repositioned in bed, press the standby button to stop the airflow. Remove the air supply hose if this is your last task. Raise the bed side rails and return the bed to a supine position. Adjust link straps appropriately. If the patient becomes off-center on the HoverMatt SPU link, a single caregiver can reposition the patient. The side rail on the opposite side must be raised. Insert the air supply hose into the HoverMatt SPU link intake valve. The caregiver turns on the air supply by pressing the appropriate button for the size of the HoverMatt SPU link. With this technique, the caregiver's non-dominant hand should be in position palm side down on the inflated HoverMatt SPU link next to the patient's shoulder. Press down on the HoverMatt SPU link to create an air pocket. The caregiver will slide their dominant hand palm up under the patient's upper back so the palm cradles the patient's scapular region furthermost from the caregiver. The hand under the patient's scapular area slides the patient towards the caregiver's body until the patient is recentered. Repeat this process until the patient is fully centered. The patient's legs can then be manually realigned with the rest of the patient's body. To turn a patient with one caregiver, you can utilize a portable or ceiling lift. If using one caregiver for this task, the side rail on the opposite side must be raised. Remove the link straps. The caregiver turns on the air supply by pressing the appropriate button for the size of the HoverMatt SPU link. With the HoverMatt SPU link fully inflated, slide the patient to the edge of the bed. Ensure the patient is secure, then press the standby button to stop the airflow. Disconnect the air supply hose. Using a 2 or 4-point hanger bar, attach the middle handles to the hanger bar. Ensure the connection is secure. Use the lift to initiate the turn of the HoverMatt SPU link to the desired height. Once raised, wedges can be placed under the patient. Lower the HoverMatt SPU link and remove the handles from the hanger bar. Please see the additional HoverMatt videos for information on using the HoverMatt SPU link for other patient handling tasks and techniques.